Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about MSI G274QRFW wide gaming LCD. So friend, MSI has introduced the wide 27-inch WQHD gaming crystal display G274QRFW with Rapid IPS panel, and friend, the refresh rate is 170Hz and reaction time is 1 millisecond. And friend, the listed display synchronization technology is NVIDIA G-Sync Compatible, allowing for fluid visual expression even in fast-paced games, and it is also equipped with night vision, which enhances the vision in dark situation, and a flicker which prevents the backlight from flickering, and less blue light pro which decreases blue light. And friend, the brightness is 300 cadmium per meter square, contrast ratio is 1000 jam1, color gamut is 88% Adobe RGB, 90% DCI-P3 and 125% sRGB, and display color is about 1.07 billion colors, and horizontal or vertical viewing angle is 178 degree. And friend, the interface has two HDMI ports, one DisplayPort 1.4 port and one headphone jack. And friend, the stand may tilt -5 to 20 degrees, swivel -45 to 45 degree, swivel -90 to 90 degree, and can be adjusted in height from 0 to 130 mm. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.